The VGreen 165 has a schedule advance mode that allows a user to press the start key at one time of day, with the 24-hour schedule starting at a different time of day. To take advantage of the scheduled advance feature, press and hold the start key for more than 3 seconds. The start LED will begin to blink and the duration LED will be illuminated. Press the up or down arrows to start the desired delay time. The schedule advance mode can be canceled by pressing the stop key. The override feature will still function with schedule advance mode active. If a user presses step 1, step 2, step 3, or start keys, the schedule advance will be canceled and the normal schedule will start. Pressing the stop key will cancel schedule advance, as will a power outage. The VGreen 165 will then automatically restart and begin the regular schedule.